Mizoram is playing an important role in India's development journey. It gives me great happiness to play the role of an ambassador of the beautiful culture of the Northeast. This is a historic day for the nation, particularly for the people of Mizoram. From today, Aizawl will be on India's railway map. Our hearts have always been directly connected with each other. Now, for the first time, Sirang in Mizoram will be connected directly with Delhi by the Rajdhani Express. This is not just a railway connection, but it is a lifeline of transformation. Our government is committed to the welfare of every citizen, every family, and every region. It is through the empowerment of the people that a developed India will be built.